morning to all of you. So this is the class 3 moving charges and magnetism. So this is the class 3. In this, now we are studying about the magnetic field along the axis of circular loop. Axis of circular loop. Magnetic field along the axis of circular loop. Okay, very important for 5 marks for the regular. But to keep star mark, very important. Okay, now for this one, this is the circular loop. Okay. Now in this one, this is the total length L of the loop from the center to here. This is the radius R. Now for this one, this is a small amount of length dl and this is also small amount of length dl. Now the current is moving from outside to inside. Outside means, what is the meaning of this one? This is a dot and this is a current and it is moving inside. That's why it is cross. Okay. Now in this one we are trying to find out the magnetic field. Now this is a point P. From point P to the center of the circular loop, this is the distance x. Okay. Now what I am doing is, from here to here I am joining. This is an angle theta. Now from here to here you are joining. This is also an angle theta. They are similar triangles. Okay. Now to find out the magnetic field, what is Biot-Savart's law? What is the formula? dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl sin theta by r square. So this is the formula which you had studied in the previous class of Biot-Savart's law. Okay. Now here the current is outside. So my finger, according to the right hand thumb rule, always folding fingers as well as the thumb, both are perpendicular to each other. So both are perpendicular to each other. The current is outside. So the current is outside. So I am doing it like this. So here what happens? Where is the magnetic field? Magnetic field is turning to this side. Small amount of magnetic field. Okay. Now here what happens? This dB magnetic field is divided into 2 components. One is the horizontal component, another is a vertical component. Okay. Now here what happens? It is turning to this side. That's why this is an angle theta. Okay. So here what we are writing? This is dB cos theta, and this is dB sin theta. Angle theta touching is dB cos theta. Angle theta not touching, that is dB sin theta. Now in the same way, here is the magnetic field inside. So inside the folding fingers magnetic field. So this side is bending. So therefore here this is nothing but dB. Okay. So this dB is divided into 2 components. Horizontal component and there is a vertical component. So when I keep the hand like this, it is bending to this side, means this is an angle. Therefore here what I should write? Angle theta touching is called as dB cos theta and this is nothing but dB sin. Okay. Now here what happens? This is perpendicular to each other. Therefore, from here what you should write? dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I dl by r square. I can write like this. Why? Because theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90. Okay. Now from the figure, this is x, this is r. Adjacent square, opposite square. So Pythagoras theorem. Adjacent square plus opposite square is nothing but what? Hypotenuse square. Therefore, we can write as a root of r square plus x square. Okay. Now here what is it? This is dB and this is dB. Both am added for the entire conductor. 2 dB is equal to dB sin theta plus dB sin theta. So what is the value? Here I am writing as 2 dB sin theta. So these two cancel. Now I should find out the net amount of magnetic field. So what I should write? I am integrating. So dB is equal to integration of dB sin theta. So this I am naming as equation 1. I am naming as equation 1. So here I am cancelling this one. So B is equal to integration of. So what is dB? dB is nothing but what? Mu naught I by 4 pi dl r square into sin theta. Okay. Now here what is r? What is theta? From the figure. We can write as this. I am assuming as r. R is equal to root of this one. So what is the value? R square is equal to root of r square plus x square whole square. This square cancel. So what is the value we can give it as? R square plus x square. R square plus x square. Okay. Now here what is sin theta from the figure? What is sin theta from the figure? What I should write? Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is the value you should write? R divided by this value I should write as root of r square plus x square. Okay. Now these two equations I am substituting here. Therefore, what we can get it as? So B is equal to mu naught I 4 pi. Here what is there? R square is there. R square means here what is the value? R square plus x square. Okay. Here what is it? Sin theta. Sin theta means what? R divided by r square plus x square root. Okay. Into here what is it? dl. So here what I am doing? Integration of. Okay. So integration differentiation it will be cancelled. So what is the value you can get as? B is equal to mu naught I r divided by 4 pi r square plus x square. This is what? R square plus x square equal to the power of 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. So I am writing as r square plus x square equal to the power of 3 by 2. Integration of dl. D integration cancel. Length L. Length L means circular loop. Circular loop means circumference of the circle 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Then what is the equation? We can get it as. I am rubbing to this side. Now what is the equation? From here B is equal to mu naught I 2 pi r square divided by what I should write? 4 pi into r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. Whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay. Now from this equation, by seeing this one, what we can understand? X distance is far greater than a radius of the circular loop. So here x is far greater than the radius of the circular loop. So x distance is more, r is very small. So here what happens? We should consider r is 0. So what is the equation? We can write it as b is equal to nu naught I 2 pi r square divided by, in this one, this is 0. So therefore the meaning is 4 pi, here x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. 2 cancel. So what is the equation? We can write it as b is equal to nu naught I 2 pi r square divided by 4 pi x cube. Okay, this is. So this is only for one circular loop. Suppose if you are having n circular loops, then what I should do? N circular loops, then what will be? So what I should write? B is equal to nu naught. N circular loop means n I. This is I. Capital I or small I can give it 2 pi r square divided by 4 pi x cube. Okay. So here small logic we have to remember. This is a circular loop. Okay. This is the radius r. The current is moving from outside to inside. So when it is coming from outside, what happens? First it is entering. So this is a dot and this is a cross. So here according to the right hand thumb rule, what we have to see? Always the thumb as well as fingers both are perpendicular to each other. So what happens like this? So this is the current like this fingers. So this one. So this is D. So here it is bending like this. This is nothing but theta. So here what happens? Divided into two components, dB cos theta, dB sin. In the same way, here what a dB is like this. The current is inside and it is coming like this. So what happens? Bending to this side, dB. So divided two components, dB cos theta, dB sin. So upper one as well lower one, both will be cancelled. That's why I'm cancelled. So first it is perpendicular. That's why I have taken as dP is equal to nu naught I dl sin theta by r square. Theta is equal to 90. So I have written the equation. So we will get this value. Very, very important topic. Now, next topic is Ampere's circular law. Ampere's circular law. Okay. So Ampere's circular law, here the definition is, it is defined as first let me write the definition. It is defined as the line integral of the magnetic field. Line integral of the magnetic field of any closed curve any closed path. It is defined as the line integral of the magnetic field around any closed path around any closed path in free space is equal to nu naught times the net amount of current inside the loop of current net amount of current inside the closed path or inside the loop. Inside the loop. Then it is called as Ampere's circular law. So what is the meaning of this one? Means the line integral, okay, of the closed path in the magnetic field, that is nothing but dl is equal to mu naught times the current inside the circular loop. Current inside the circular loop. Current inside. So the line integral of the magnetic field, the line integral of the magnetic field of any closed loop is in a free space is equal to mu naught times the current inside. Current inside. The meaning is the current is inside the circular loop. So small derivation was there for this one. Okay. Consider a circular loop. Consider a circular loop of a current carrying conductor. This is I. Then the magnetic field is passing through the circular loop like this. In this one, we are considering small amount of length dl, small amount of length dl, and the magnetic field is passing like this. Okay. So here, what we can say that B and dl parallel to each other, parallel to each other. When they are parallel to each other, what we can say? Theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. So here, what we are studying? Integral phi b into dl. So this we can write as b into integration of b into dl cos theta. So theta is equal to 0. So what is the equation? You can write it as integration of b into dl cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So what is the equation? You can write it as integration of b into dl. Okay. Now here from this equation, what we can write? b into integration of dl. Okay. So from here to here, this is the circular loop of radius r. Therefore, what is the equivalent as b into this cancel. So this is the length l, length of the circular loop, nothing but circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is nothing but what you should write? b into 2 pi r. b into 2 pi r. So here, so what is the value here? Integral phi b into dl is nothing but b into 2 pi r. So this is the definition what we have studied. So here b is equal to b into 2 pi r is equal to mu naught into current inside. So from here, what is the equation? You can write it as b is equal to mu naught I inside the current I in divided by 2 pi r. This is the formula which you are doing. Okay. Now, always you will study mu naught by 4 pi. Okay. So here what I am doing for this equation, multiply and divide by 2. So what is the equation? You can read it as b is equal to mu naught I in into 2 divided by 2 pi r into 2. So what is the value? You can write it as b is equal to 2 mu naught I in divided by 4 pi r. This is also, so mu naught by 4 pi into 2 I divided by r. So this is about the Ampere's circular law. Now In the Ampere's circular law, note what I'm doing is, this is a circular loop S2. So here I am keeping the current I1 and this is the current I2. Okay. Now another current, this is I3. Another current I am keeping as I4. Okay. So the current inside the loop is what? Current inside the loop. Inside the loop are I1 as well as I2. Okay. This is the first one which we are doing. And outside the loop, not necessary. Why? Because we are studying about the current inside. Next, another one, the magnetic field due to the current. The magnetic field due to the currents are I1, I2, I3 as well as I4. I3, I1, I2, I3 as well as I4. Now the next topic is solenoid. So what is solenoid? Very very important for 3 marks. They will ask in the exam. For the regular. Solenoid. So solenoid is an insulated copper wire. Solenoid is an insulated copper wire. Insulated copper wire wound closely in the form of helix. In the form of helix. Helix means, what is the meaning of helix? Like this. It is in the form of helix. Okay. Solenoid means, solenoid is an insulated copper wire wound closely in the form of helix. Then it is called as solenoid. Okay. So, what is the derivation for solenoid? Small derivation was there for the solenoid. Okay. Now, what we are doing is, this is a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder, and for this one, I am taking the battery. When the battery is switched on, what happens? The current is passing like this, always. Okay. Now hollow cylinder means the current is passing and it is going outside. So from outside to inside it is passing. From outside to inside. So this figure, it is an insulated hollow cylinder. Okay. For the insulated hollow cylinder, what we are doing there? It is a wire, circulator wire. So the current is passing from outside to inside. So to draw the figure correctly, which like this, it is passing. So the current is passing from outside to inside. Okay. Now this figure, how to draw in the visual way? In the visual way. So this is the magnetic field. So this one, this is the magnetic field. The current is passing from outside to inside. So this is the outside and this is the inside. Dot means outside. Cross means inside. So what is the meaning of this one? So this is the dot. it is outside. And here what I am doing is I am keeping the current inside. Why? Because the current is passing from outside to inside. Okay. Now what I am doing is I am inserting the one plate, square plate. Okay. Now in this one, like this and this. Okay. Now this is a plate. Okay. Now this plate, in this one the current is passing like this in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Now what is the formula we had studied in the Ampere's circular law? Integral phi B into dl is equal to mu naught into current I in. That's it. Now for this one I am naming as this is P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. Okay. So the current as well as the magnetic field both are parallel to each other. Therefore for this one theta is equal to 0. Okay. Now here when the current is passing like this, so here the current as well as magnetic field perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means what? Theta is equal to 90. Okay. And here what happens? The magnetic field is here, but the loop is outside. The wire is outside. Therefore, it is not considered. It is not considered at all. Why? Because it is outside. It is outside the magnetic field. It is outside the magnetic field. Now here what happens? The wire is inside, and here what happens? The current and magnetic field perpendicular to each other. So what is the equation? We can write it as integral. This can be written as BDL cos theta. This is from P to Q. So this is P to Q plus integration of BDL. What is this one? Cos theta from Q to R plus this is outside the loop. So this is R to S BDL cos theta, and this is perpendicular. So what I should write? Plus integration of S to P BDL cos theta is equal to, what is the equation? Nu naught I or I in. So here what is that? From P to Q. From P to Q, theta is equal to 0. So this is theta is equal to 0. And here what is there? Theta is equal to 90 degrees. So theta is equal to 90 degrees. And here what happens? Outside the loop, not considered. And this is theta is equal to 90. So cos 90 is 0. So this is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So here what I should write? Integration of B into dl is equal to, here what I should write? Cos theta. Theta is nothing but what? 0 is equal to, what I should write? Mu naught into current I in or I. So here what is it? Cos 0 is 1. So what is the value? Integration of B into dl is equal to mu naught I. From here, what is the equation? We can write it as B into integration of dl is equal to mu naught into I. Okay. Now here, what is the value? We can write it as, this is cancelled. So from here, what is the value? B into L is equal to mu naught I. Okay. Now one thing we have to remember, in the figure I said when it is in the form of the helix, it is in the form of the helix. So we have to remember that n means, small n means number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. Okay. And what is n? N means what? Only number of turns. number of turns. So in the figure previously, so I said here I draw. This is a insulated hollow cylinder, and what is it? This is the helix. So many number of turns are going on. So many number of turns are there. So from figure, what we can write? N is the number of turns. N is the number of turns. So N is the number of turns means what I should write? B into L is equal to, here what I should write? Nu naught I into N. Okay. So here what is the equation? N is equal to N into L. So from here what is the value? B into L is equal to nu naught I into L is nothing but what? N into L. So L cancel. So what is the value? We can write it as B is equal to nu naught N into I. Okay. So this is the equation we have to remember for the competitive as well as for 3 marks. So in the exam they will ask solenoid or toroid, compulsory question. So solenoid means it is an insulated copper wire wound closely in the form of the helix. Okay. For this one, what are you doing? I am taking the insulated hollow cylinder. For the insulated hollow cylinder, I am connecting the battery, and here what I am doing? I am connecting the wire. So the current is passing from outside to inside. So this outside to inside, how I am doing? So I am taking the wire of this square plate, square wire. So the current is passing from like this, P to Q, Q to R, R to S, S to P. So outside to inside. So here what happens? What is the formula? Integration of phi B to dl is equal to nu naught I in. So integration of by phi B into dl means B dl cos theta. So here this is PQ, QR, RDS, S to P is equal to nu naught into I in. Alright. Now here what happens? This is theta is equal to 90, theta is equal to 0. This is not, it is outside the loop, and theta is equal to 90. So this is theta is equal to 0, theta is equal to 90, outside the loop, theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90. So by substituting all the values, cos 0 is 1, so nu naught into I. Integration of B to dl is equal to nu naught I. So here what is the value? Integration definition cancel, B into L. B into L is equal to nu naught I. So from the figure, L is the number of turns. So general means small n means number of turns per unit length. That we have to know. N is equal to N into L. So we will get this value. B is equal to nu naught Ni. So here B means what? Magnetic field. Nu naught means what? Permittivity of the free space. N means what? Number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. Number of turns per unit length. I means what? The current inside. So the value is B is equal to nu naught Ni. B is equal to nu naught